We are here in Pismo Beach, California.
Turn. Give it a pan.
There you go. There's the pan. We're doing all right. We're supposed to leave here in about a week. We don't know exactly where we're going yet. All that's still in the air, but we're enjoying this for now. It's we're saying a Pacific Dunes Ranch RV resort. Normally you'd see this place full of vehicles, and they shut that down last night. They're shutting down a lot of stuff right now, and
it's spring break for most people. Most spring break, this whole beach will be full of, you know, ATVs and Hummers and everything with people, but show them down the beach, there's only, I don't know, maybe 25 people here.
Yeah, it's crazy right now. Kids are having fun though. They're about to get soaked. We have a nice long walk back, so they'll learn. But yeah, it's sad for the local businesses out here, because this is like one of the times of the year where they make most of their money. We're gonna kind of show you around Pismo. This whole area right now is just, you know, it's shelter in place. We're getting out. We've been in an RV for the last week. We're just we've been walking the dunes, taking the dog for a walk, staying away from everybody as much as possible. But, you know, we're doing our part. Really can't go wrong here. You having fun? What you got there? Those for when we run out of toilet paper?
I did find some gold plates.
Did you? Yeah.
I really like the beach because we could pick up shells and we could see what sand dollars look like, and some of them even have some other sea creatures sitting like stuck to the sand dollars, and we could like walk over the waves and we could just like run away from them. And also like you could like get to get footage of people like doing some having fun out there and getting footage of cool stuff here. Like,
awesome.
Also like see people like surfing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we went on a little bit of a morning walk to see the ocean back there, but the walk back, it's not too bad.
We have to walk through the Sahara to get back to our campsite. Literally, I mean it's... Okay, maybe not literally, but...
It's a good walk, but good exercise. All right, we're lost. We're lost. This is happening.
Send help.
Send help. Send... We made it back to the campground. Hey everybody, we are getting ready to go for a little bit of a ride, and we figured we could just take you along. We ended up driving over to Port San Luis, where we had been a few days prior. It's a pretty cool area to go explore. We didn't get out this time, but here's some footage from last time we were here. You'll notice too when we drove in that there was some RV parking both on the left and right side. The right side had full hookups. Might be worth something exploring for a couple nights while coming through again.
Might be our last time.
After Port San Luis, we ended up driving over to Los Osos Valley Road near San Luis Obispo, and then you head west. It'll take you along the coastline and you can see the ocean. There's plenty of coves to turn out on and just take a look out over the ocean. Unfortunately, our cameras didn't really do the shots justice, so I left them out of this. But it is a nice area to explore. Headed back over to Pismo Beach on our way back to our RV park. As you can see, when you go downtown, there's a place called Old West Cinnamon Rolls. We highly recommend it. It's a great place to stop. As you can see, when we make this right turn, this is the main strip down to the pier. Unfortunately, the pier is closed right now. Brad's is a pretty cool place to stop and eat, as is Splash Cafe. It's one of our favorite places to eat down here. We ended up heading back over to the RV park after this and settled in for the evening. The next few nights we ended up just hanging out in the trailer and started planning our next trip. We think we're going to head east to Arizona depending on the campground availability. If you enjoyed this video and want to follow along on our journey, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and give us a like.